Hi guys! Today we'll speed up a video in InShot. First, unlock your phone and open the InShot app. Once it opens, you'll see the Create New option at the bottom. From here, you can select Video to start editing the clip you want to speed up. Next, tap New to open your phone gallery. Select the video you want to speed up. In my case, I chose a recent draft video. Once selected, the video will be imported into InShot, ready for editing. After your video is imported, you'll see different options above the timeline. Swipe left, and you'll find the speed option. Tap on it to access the speed controls. This is where the magic happens. Once in the speed menu, hold the circular slider and move it forward to increase the speed of your video. Adjust it according to how fast you want your video to play. This will reduce the video's duration and make it play faster. Finally, tap the tick mark at the top right to confirm the speed adjustment. Now your video is sped up and ready for export or further editing. It's really simple and gives your video a dynamic effect in no time. So that's how you can easily speed up any video in InShot. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.